Hey guys, I am back with a brand new unboxing video, and here is the RealMe C1, and first time RealMe come in Pakistan. And this phone is giving you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor with a 19,000 PKR price range, which you don't see in this price range. The processor is very good in this price range. So let's quickly open this box, and here is the main specification on the back of the phone. And first is the 2GB RAM with a 16GB internal storage, and the color is having a navy blue. And another variant comes with a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, but it is don't launch in Pakistan right now. And first you can open this box. Is the small box which contain a silicone case, quick start guide, and a SIM ejecting tool, and let's put the side here, and that's a very nice value, giving you a silicone case. And here's the beautiful RealMe C1. So let's put the side here and first look at the accessories. And here is the simple charger, look like a Oppo charger, which comes with a 1 ampere rating, not the fastest charger, and a micro USB 2.0 cable, not fast charging in this come, as well as a type C. Let's put the side here and let's remove the wrapper, and you can see here is the beautiful RealMe C1. And you can see back is made up of the plastic as well as the sides. Let's quickly boot and let's show you the physical overview. And on the bottom he's having the speaker, micro USB 2.0 port, microphone, headphone jack. And on the right he's having the power key. On the top is nothing. On the left is a SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time. Volume up and volume down rocker. The side is made up of a plastic, and it is a 13 plus 2 megapixel combination with LED flash. Let's quickly set up. And here is the big notch with a 6.2 inch 720p IPS LCD display. Let's set up a Face ID with random password. And we are done with the setup. And here is the first boot of the RealMe C1, and you can see it is a very big notch with a front camera. It's a 5 megapixel combination. It is a single camera, and auto brightness sensor is also here in this phone. That's a very nice code. Let's go to the settings and about device. And this phone, it comes with a Android 8.1 Oreo, no Android 9, with a 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage, and Snapdragon 450 processor. Let's go back, and it is the same UI as the Oppo UI with a different theme. Let's look at the camera, and again 13 plus 2 megapixel combination, f 2.2 aperture, and secondary is a portrait sensor for bokeh shots. And let's look at the video size, and this phone is record up to full HD, not 4K anything like that. Let's look at the front camera real quick, and the front camera is also record up to full HD, not 4K, and 5 megapixel f 2.4 aperture. Let's go to settings and display, and it is the IPS LCD display, not Super AMOLED. And the night shield feature is also here, and looking very fast experience with this phone. And this phone comes with a 4230 mAh battery size with no support of fast charging. This phone is giving you a 2 days battery life without any problem, but fast charging is not come. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the RealMe C1, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You want to see some more videos about the RealMe C1, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.